We're on our way now, buddy.
Troy, RJ, and Bruce head to Anahuac, the gator capital of Texas, where the devastation from Hurricane Harvey is all around.
Oh, man. That's terrible, huh? Everywhere you look.
That's sad, man, I know.
Poor Bigfoot. We would see for miles and miles. They had piles 6, 8 feet high of just everything you could imagine. Stuff that just got ruined in the flood.
It's hard to believe all this stuff on the side of the road, it's not garbage, that's people's lives. That's a shame.
5 foot of rain in 4 days. You know, they thought they'd never see water in their home. And all of a sudden, just because of one storm, their lives have changed forever.
After driving over 250 miles, the Louisiana hunters finally arrive.
This must be our God right here. We're on our way to meet with Bigfoot at his buyers. He's got some other friends that need help. This must be our guys. Whatever he needs, we're willing to do it.